Welcome to Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, where unique fruit trees and flavorful harvests are always growing. Meet the apple Redlove era, also known as love apple, a striking fruit tree with bright red skin and almost solid red flesh inside. This tree grows 12 to 16 feet tall and thrives in full open sun or part shade with well-draining soil. Redlove era produces large, crisp, juicy apples that are refreshingly sweet with a hint of tart berries, perfect for eating fresh, juicing, or baking. It's productive, disease-resistant, and stores well for later enjoyment. Fruit is typically ready in September through October. Fun fact, this variety comes from Switzerland and can handle cold down to -30 degrees, so it's tough far beyond its looks. Redlove era is pollinated by trees like Anna, Dorset Golden, Einsheimer, Gravenstein, or Zestar, and requires 500 to 750 chill hours to bear fruit. Visit Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix or call 623-434-6922. Let's grow something delicious and unforgettable.